Namaste everyone. When we talk about Viksit Bharat, we dream of a nation where every citizen lives a healthy and dignified life. But even today, in many areas, that the water flows from the tap is not safe. It looks clear, but inside it carries bacteria, chemicals, and dirt. It causes serious diseases like diarrhea, thyroid, and jaundice. For poor and rural communities, this contaminated water becomes a daily risk to our life and health. Due to lack of proper filtration and old pipelines, the tap water gets mixed with sewage, money on medicines instead of food or education. And the worst part, even after boiling, some harmful substance still remains. So how can we make clean water accessible to everyone, just to those who can afford expensive purifier? The solution is simple, smart and affordable. Inbuilt filters fitted in directly into taps. Imagine opening your tap and getting clean filtered water instantly. These small devices contain activated carbon and micromembranes that trap dirt, bacteria and chemicals. They are easy to install, require little maintenance and can last for several months before replacement.